Welcome to Kit Utility. Kit Utility is a browser-based platform with 76+ free online tools built to help you create content, manage files, and handle everyday digital work faster. No accounts, no downloads, just open a tool and get to work. Kit Utility is powered by Media Data Fusion. Let's start with content creation. The Social Post Generator is one of the most powerful tools on Kit Utility. It helps you create professional posts for LinkedIn, X, and Instagram in seconds without needing to think about prompts or formatting. You can generate posts for different platforms at the same time, each tailored to the style of that platform. What makes this tool different is customization. You can add your own context, such as notes about your business, your audience, or your goals, and use that context to generate topic suggestions automatically. This makes it easy to create content that actually sounds like you, not generic filler. You can choose the tone and style of your posts, control length, and adjust how the content is structured so it fits your voice and your brand. And once your post is ready, you can generate a matching image alongside it. Images can be created automatically from the post content, or you can fully customize the image description yourself. You can control style, layout, and format, making it easy to generate visuals sized for LinkedIn, X, Instagram, or thumbnails. In one place, you can generate both the text and the image for a complete social post, ready to publish. Create your next post at kitutility.com. Next, the AI Image Generator. This tool lets you create thumbnails, social graphics, and marketing visuals directly from text. Whether you need a clean thumbnail or a creative visual, you can generate images quickly and download them instantly. Try the AI Image Generator now at kitutility.com. To prepare images for publishing, Kit Utility includes a background remover and replacer. Remove backgrounds in one click, replace them with a new background, or export transparent images ready for thumbnails, posts, and presentations. For documents, screenshots, and scanned files, Kit Utility provides OCR and Translation tools. Extract text from images and PDFs, then translate that text into multiple languages in a single step. All of these tools are available now at kitutility.com. Beyond content creation, Kit Utility includes a wide range of image tools. Resize images, crop images, compress images, and convert image formats to optimize files for websites, email, and social platforms. For PDF workflows, Kit Utility includes essential PDF tools. Merge PDF files, split PDFs, compress PDFs, and generate PDFs directly in your browser. For file conversion and data handling, you will find tools to convert between formats like CSV and JSON, along with formatters for common data types. For design and interface work, Kit Utility includes color tools such as hex to RGB conversion, RGB to hex conversion, a color picker, a color palette generator, and a contrast checker. For text editing and cleanup, Kit Utility includes tools to count words and characters, convert text case, compare text differences, remove duplicates, and convert formats like Markdown to HTML. For developers, Kit Utility provides quick utilities like JSON formatting and validation, regex testing, UUID generation, encoding and decoding tools, and other helpers to keep work moving. For everyday planning and calculations, Kit Utility includes financial tools such as budget calculators, compound interest calculators, loan calculators, and tip calculators. And for real-world conversions and scheduling, Kit Utility includes unit and date tools like unit converters, timestamp conversion, time zone conversion, and meeting planning tools. Everything on Kit Utility is free to use, fast to access, and built to remove friction from your workflow. Powered by Media Data Fusion, Kit Utility is designed to help you get things done. Visit kitutility.com and start using the tools today.